Good evening, friends. Once again, tonight we're going to do another little experiment. On the Nokia phone you get the video option. You also get the recorder option, which I've been using quite a lot. And I've just freed loads of memory on this, so I'm going to try and experiment with the camera and also the recorder option. I'm going to be using the S Box for the white noise, so I'll be playing it very quietly. It might pick up one or two voices, but you'll hear the difference in the voices from this to the growly ones I catch on the phone. I'm also going to be using the Radio Shack to see if I can get the same effects from the white noise and the stuff that's going on in this radio. So we'll try that first.
Do I have any spirit guides here with me tonight, please? Anyone that can help with our experiments? Come in, please, friendship and love. Do you have any angels or any spirit guides here with us tonight, please? Have you a message for those that still don't believe there's life after this earthly life? Is there anything you would like to tell them? Still people who doubt you. What is your message? Is it possible for you to explain to the people what it was like when you passed? Obviously, you know you didn't die. Were you shocked? Surprised? Or did you know about the spirit world and heaven? Is there anything you can tell the people? There's so much interest out there. Can you tell our followers what happens to the children, the young children when they pass? And who collects the young children to take them over? Are they well looked after? Imagine they are. Do the children grow up on your side like they would on this side? Do they still continue to grow into adults? Or do they stay as they were? Are they passed? Is it possible to tell us? Thank you. When we passed your side, to things like knowledge, understandings, stuff we want to learn from this side that we don't know, is easily accessed on your side. What I mean is, can we gain information quite readily once we get to the spirit world? One final question, my friends. Can you tell us why everything you do is shrouded in secrecy? Why aren't you allowed to converse with us naturally? We ask questions and we get like the odd word instead of full-blown answers. Why is it so secretive? I know you can talk to us, but why aren't you allowed to? And who sets these rules? Thank you for your answers. God bless. Love and light.